Okay, now, finally, I'm live again. Uh, damn. Damn. I got a donation at the wrong time. Okay. Packetevents is an open source Packet API. It has many cross version wrappers. Uh, Let me read that. I really appreciate the donation. Packetevents is an open source API. It has many cross version packet wrappers. You process incoming and outgoing. Wait a sec. Yo, that's our description, man. That's our description. Nice. You literally came here and copy pasted. Well, thank you so much for for the five the $5. Okay. Our last stream just just got taken down because we were playing some music, so I just cut off the music. Anyway, now my Wi-Fi is doing okay. Um, we're not using some free Wi-Fi anymore. I think it should be fine now. Let me just see. Yeah, it sounds fine. I hope I'm not lagging. So now we can start talking about 2.0. Everything is good. So yeah, basically for 2.0, what we've done is we've made a new branch, and until we manage to finish 2.0, my my goal was to at least push out a beta or pre-release of 2.0 by the end of the month, if possible. Um, and yeah, and once we get a stable release, of course, I'm gonna merge it with master and dev branch. And then 2.0 can finally come out. 2.0 should be about 2 times faster than Packetevents currently. And my goal for 2.0 should be that it's a cleaner API and much better. All that. I've cut all deprecations out. You can see the project might look a bit different now. And yeah, when it comes to the issues, some issues that were reported about the missing wrappers. Many of the wrappers I've not completed them on 1.8 Packetevents, mainly because they were quite difficult to do with the reflection, and it's too much reflection. And with 2.0, while we read the byte buffs, it's going to be much easier. Anyway, so um yeah, what I've done at least till now is we've got the client-sided all client-sided packet types working. And for your information, in 2.0, our handler is going to be in front of via versions handler. And which means via version is not going to modify the packets that you're processing. If anyone didn't want that. And yeah, here I have some sample code. Later plan to have this code, most of this code be internal. Of course, except this. And yeah. Anyway, so here you can see I've made some wrappers already, and maybe let me just show you guys how simple it is. Instead of play, play wrappers, I rename it game here, and handshaking login status. Let's look at the game client hmm, update sign. And here we're not using any reflection. We are just reading the byte buffs, should be faster, of course. And we've got a message from Gast. Just wanted to say good luck, have fun, Kappa. Yeah, it's been a bit of a struggle getting the handlers to work, the the decoder to work. Gast, please help me. Open source Artemis packet API, please. I can't get some stuff working. The encoder, help me with the encoder, please. Help Packetevents. Should I join in? What do you mean? Someone said, should I join in? What do you mean, Abhiram? Or Abhi? I'm not sure if I said your name right. Sorry if I didn't. And thanks so much for the pull request. I don't think I would have started 2.0 right now if it wasn't for your pull request. But I was thinking about it for a while. I was thinking, summer's almost over. Now is when I have lots of free time. Should I start 2.0? Then I was like, no. And then now it just started. Yeah, I will work on encoder. You said you'll work on encoder. I've already tried some stuff. Till now I haven't been able to do it. Of course, the current encoder, this is not anywhere near what I was trying to do. I was just trying to see what works, seeing if I can call the previous encoder, all that stuff, and it didn't even work. Sad. But yeah. So making packet wrappers, I don't see that as the biggest issue or the biggest problem, and not our priority. I'd say our priority is working on the bugs, things like getting VIA version support done, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, here I wrote some little things that I just thought of. I think everyone should be able to access this if you go on projects 2.0, some things that I thought of, I guess. Here you can see recoding, basically changing the API structure, improving that. Packet encode event, working on that. Figure out why joining on older clients while via rewind and via backwards are present causes bad packet exceptions. Basically, the vanilla server is not recognizing the packet IDs. $50 donation, Jockney. Yes, please. Please donate. $50 donation. You said you were gonna refund Spartan. Refund. Get refund. Add all remaining server-bound packet types. I actually added all the server-bound. Basically means client-sided. So I guess we can modify this to client-bound. The packet types enum. I already finished that for the server-bound. Jokney says, Spartan refund successful. Retrooper has gained minus 25. You just stole my money, didn't you? Create all remaining wrappers. Okay. Protocol support. I haven't tested protocol support yet. So basically our goal is to make packet events be in front of VIA version and protocol support. We don't want them to modify packets for us and maybe change some of the protocol. Abby's, don't put the mic inside of your mouth. Jockney says, do you need a test server? No, no. I've got a dev or test server provided to me by Hydrogen or whatever you know him as, because he changes his name every 2 months. Or Nitrogen. I'm not even sure anymore. I'm pretty sure it's hydrogen or nitrogen. Damn, you have finally upgraded from not having a test server. Yes. I think the last time it was broken, and then Hydrogen did not reply for a couple of weeks or months. But now it's all up and running, and that's good. That's good. So of course we need to test 2.0 and 1.7.10. Sadly, some servers still use 1.7.10, and it can be a bit of a pain supporting it. And yeah, I am actually gonna try work on something. Usually when I make these streams, I don't write any notes down. I don't even plan to get anything done because I know I can't. Be too distracted by the chat, I guess. Packetevents 2.0 no longer supports version older than 1. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That would be easy. That would be easy for me, you know. Just supporting one version, that'd be amazing, you know. But oh shit. What? How did that happen? Someone hacking me. Okay, so let me just let's work on the server ones. Damn. Imagine if a game existed where people didn't use 7-year-old versions, says Jockney. Yes, that would be good. But would we even need a Packet API anymore? They'd probably have some inbuilt one or something, you know. Everyone would just be using NMS or whatever, probably. Or maybe not. Because NMS, well, I guess since we got the mappings recently, everybody could be using NMS. It's the same as running the first versions of GTA V. Do you guys update GTA V? You guys update that? Oh well. Let's actually try to get some stuff done. Client down, server sided. We have all the packet IDs. So basically when it comes to packet IDs, it can get pretty complicated because let's say a packet ID is added on 1.8, you know, and then 1.9 just decides, hey yo, we want to remove that, you know, like this. Like, you know, we want to remove that. Packetevents, I guess, still adds the type. Basically, if you really wanna use it, I guess you can use it. Just know it's not gonna be called on 1.9 and above, for example. That's just an example. And that happens so many times. And when making these types, I actually tried to document which ones were added, kind of. Of course, not in the best way, but I added some comments because I knew I'd regret not adding comments later in the future. So I can see it was added, this was added, this was added. Nothing removed yet. Let's have a look. What was removed? Yeah, you can see this was removed and this was removed. So I guess for packet events, I just add all packet types and hope for the best. See, 1.8 basically just added new ones. 1.9 removed set compress. So I guess I can add all 1.8 ones. Or I can do this. I can just copy 1.17 and then I can document all the ones that have been deleted in the prior versions. Oh gosh, this is painful. It's gonna be painful. Window confirmation, which is basically the transaction packet. Jockney just sent me a Rick roll GIF. I'm happy that I only got the notification and I didn't actually play it. Nice try. Nice try. I got the notification, but I didn't. I'm not gonna look at your DMs forever now because I don't want to get rickrolled. There you go. And he sent me something else. It says a hot lady. Okay, I might have to look after stream. Just saying. Might have to look. Combat event. This was removed. Another painful change was engines older than 1.17